Using these 8 ingredients, we are going to make pumpkin chia seed pudding. Starting off with my thick chia seed base made with 1 cup of 2% milk and 4 tablespoons chia seeds. Next is 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. Then we're going to mix her up. Then we're going to shove her to the side and cut up some apples. Now turn up your stove to a medium-low heat. Now throw the apples into the pan with 1 tablespoon maple syrup and then your preferred cinnamon ratio. Mix and let simmer for around 5 to 6 minutes. Now put your preferred Greek yogurt into the bottom of the bowl. Add the pumpkin chia pudding, the apples, and you're done.